Slide 1. Dear Chairman, dear colleagues, and guests. I am an automatic text reader and will present to your attention the work entitled Intelligent Methods and Tools for Sensor Data Combination in the Analysis of Food and Agricultural Products, with authors Zlatin Zlatev. Slide 2. Traditional methods of measuring and evaluating the quality of food and agriculture products include labor-intensive laboratory analyses related to the destruction of the measured sample and the need for qualified personnel. This necessitates the search for new methods for objective assessment of the quality of food products, automation of processes and means of control in their production. The joint use of data from optical, ultrasonic, capacitive, and other sensors for analysis is used in the field of production and processing of food and agriculture products. Because they are based on automatic measurement of various surface characteristics that can correlate with the quality of food products. When using methods for analysis of food and agricultural products based on sensor data, it is necessary to take into account the influence of the conditions and duration of their storage. Under inappropriate storage conditions, physical, biological and microbiological changes can occur in the products, which affect not only the organoleptic properties, but also their quality and safety. An important condition for the storage of food and agriculture products is the maximum preservation of their organoleptic and physico-chemical properties, which can be achieved by adding biologically active substances during their production. Scientists are still looking for methods for contactless and express determination of the state of food products in the agricultural sector. Slide 3. The aim of the present work is to establish the influence of the used data obtained from combinations of different types of sensors, as well as the methods for their processing. Slide 4. Data from different types of sensors are presented in determining the main characteristics describing the condition and quality of eggs, cucumbers, tomatoes and yogurt, grown and stored in conditions specified by their producers. The figure shows stages of obtaining and sharing data from different types of sensors in modern intelligent systems. The initial stage includes obtaining data about the tested products through ultrasonic, optical, capacitive sensors. They are also defined, the technological characteristics of these food and agricultural products. Slide 5. Results from sharing spectral characteristics data and color components. The features by which eggs will be classified according to their digital images and spectral characteristics during ovoscopy are defined. As shown in figure at up left, spectral indices were calculated from the spectral characteristics. In the same way, color indices are determined from the color components of the lab color model. In the two examined types of microcracks in eggs, the nonlinear separating functions of the discriminate analysis and the method of support vector machines show the lowest values of total error up to 2 to 6%. By correspondence analysis method, features suitable for classification of object areas with aphids on cucumbers, both on the adaxial and abaxial part of the leaves, have been selected. It has been found that the separation of data classes, depending on the stage of development of cucumber aphids, is possible using nonlinear separation functions. The separation of data classes depends more on the method of reducing the volume of data than on the type of separation function. An analysis was made to determine the degree of ripeness of tomatoes, using systematized color and spectral indices. It has been found that feature vectors containing color and spectral indices that are reduced by principal components are suitable for this purpose. The application of the developed algorithm shows that when predicting the degree of ripeness of tomatoes, the accuracy of the algorithm reaches 96 to 98%. Slide 6. A method is proposed for the precise determination of the values of the admissible quantities of additives of bee products, without violating the properties of the final product and for it to be acceptable for the consumers. The permissible amounts of the addition of honey and bee pollen in yogurt have been determined. A method and tools are proposed to determine the permissible amounts of honey and bee pollen in yogurt, using data on its physico-chemical and organoleptic characteristics. Slide 7. A method and tools for predicting the mass of eggs have been developed, which is based on the basic indices of the shape of the eggs and their spectral indices, and on a certain set of relations between them. From the figure, it can be seen that from the three types of sensors, capacitive, video camera, spectrophotometer, a significant amount of features is obtained, which can be used in predicting the mass of eggs. From 34 features obtained, 15% are spectral, 15% are shape indices, and only 6% are dielectric traits. The remaining 64% are uninformative or correlate with dielectric features. Slide 8. The table shows a summary analysis of the presented results. The comparative analysis is based on the one used in assessing the characteristics of the recognized products. It can be seen that in the formation of the vectors of the features, the largest share is occupied by the data from the spectral characteristics, following the colors. Ultrasonic, dielectric, and geometric characteristics participate in feature vectors with 1 to 4% of the total number of features used. It is necessary to make a result from the research on the application, the production of sensor systems other than optical. Slide 9. The obtained results demonstrate that the algorithms used for analysis of food and agricultural products, their spectral and dielectric characteristics, allow the development of adequate classification models for rapid and non-destructive determination of the main indicators of quality of these products in the specified measurement conditions. The joint use of data from several sensors leads to a comprehensive assessment and more accurate division of the characteristics of the studied products, depending on their condition. The obtained results show that the classification methods and the predictive models manage to keep the values of the classification error low. These facts have the prospect of direct application of different types of data from visual images, spectral, ultrasonic and dielectric characteristics, in combination with the selected classifiers and prediction models, in the systems for quality assessment of food and agricultural products. Slide 10. Thank you for your attention.